Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you 10 powerful command prompt tricks that can make your Windows experience faster, cleaner, and a lot more interesting. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more content. Before we start, open the Start menu, type CMD and launch Command Prompt. All right, let's begin. Command number 1, Color. Type color A or try different codes. After running it, the entire command prompt text color changes instantly. You'll see the text turn green, blue, red, or many others depending on the code you use. Command number 2, ipconfig/flushdons. When you run this command, you'll see a message saying, "Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache." This means Windows cleared old DNS data, which can help fix internet issues. Command number 3, System Info. After pressing Enter, CMD starts listing detailed information line by line. You will see system name, Windows version, install date, BIOS version, memory info, and more. It looks like a full technical summary of your system. Command number 4, PowerShell/battery report. Once you run it, CMD shows the message, battery life report saved to, with a file path. When you open that file, you'll see a full battery health report, including usage history, capacity, and performance. Command number 5, Tree. After running this command, CMD displays a tree-like structure using lines and symbols. Command number 6, Netstat-no. When executed, you'll see a long list of connections. It shows protocol type, local address, foreign address, connection state, and the process ID. It's useful for spotting suspicious or unknown connections. Command number 7, Task List. After running it, CMD prints a table with all active processes. You'll see process names, their memory usage, and their process IDs. It looks similar to the Task Manager in a text format. Command number 8, WhomI. This command simply displays your current username. You'll see something like computername/user. Command number 9, Hostname. When you run this command, it shows the name of your device. It usually looks like a single word or code chosen by Windows or the user. Command number 10, attrib+h+s. After running it on a file, the file disappears from the folder view. Windows hides it as a protected system file, making it harder for others to find. You won't see a success message, but the file becomes invisible. Thanks for watching.